Hello children, today I am going to teach you second chapter Physical Features of India. Children, first tell me about what do you understand by the term physical features. Physical features describe all type of landform, okay? And India has all type of landforms are found of the earth. India has mountain, plain, plateau, desert, etc. And here in this chapter we will discuss how the landform formed. Okay. Children, we know that earth is made by three types of rock: igneous rock, metamorphic rock and the sedimentary rock. And sometimes rock are very soft and sometimes it is very hard. Soft rock just like talcum powder and soap are the example of soft rock, and the marble is the example of hard rock. And according to the rock are different in region to region, and when rock will different, it will landform will also different to region. Come to the first, how all the landform formed. Okay. Children, we know that now we have 7 continents and 5 oceans, but how they formed, okay, and how they take their present form. Children, we know that deposition, erosion and weathering is a continuous process, and by this process landform always being changed. Okay, from the starting to till now landform always in change, just because of weathering, erosion and deposition. And through the plate tectonic theory, we are able to understand all the concept of landform, how mountain, plain, plateau formed. Through the plate tectonic theory, we will discuss it. Scientist has given plate tectonic theory. Okay, what is plate tectonic theory, children? According to plate tectonic theory, our earth is divided into 7 major plates. Okay, children, concentrate here. According to plate tectonic theory, okay, crust, we know that upper part of the earth is known as crust. Okay, when we talk about the interior of earth divided into crust, mantle and core, and the upper part of the earth is known as crust, and this crust is divided into 7 major plates and some minor plates. Okay, 7 major plates and some minor plates, and down to the crust we have mantle. We know that when we go inside the crust, okay, mantle is here, and upper mantle also divided into 2 parts, upper mantle and the lower mantle, and the upper mantle are found in the liquid form, and it is also known as magma chamber. And due to convectional current, okay, in this area, due to temperature and pressure, okay, convectional current create in the magma. Okay, and when magma will move now, that time automatically crust will move, plates will move, just because of plates are floating on the magma. Plates are floating on the magma. When magma will move, plates automatically move. So according to plate tectonic theory, these crust, okay, floating on the magma, okay, and magma has movement due to convectional current, okay, and when magma move now, that time plates move, and due to the movement of plates, okay, different type of landform create on the surface. Then, and plate has mainly 3 type of movement. First, convergent movement, divergent movement and the transform movement. It is given in your book, convergent boundary, divergent boundary and the transform boundary. Convergent, in the convergent boundary, okay, due to the convergent, what is convergent boundary? Children, when two plates, take example that it is two plates, when two plates come to each other, okay, come to each other, that time they collide, and due to the collideness they crumble, and that time fold create on the land surface and mountain created, okay, mountain create when plates come to each other, okay, that is called what? Yes, convergent boundary. Then come to the divergent boundary. In the divergent boundary, two plates go far away from each other, okay, two plates move far away from each other, and that time block create between two plates, okay, and that time faulting create, and due to the faulting rift valley and the block mountain create on the land surface. Then come to the transform, due to the transform boundary, okay, transform boundary, when plates horizontally move far away from each other, okay, horizontally move far away from each other, that is known as transform boundary. And due to the transform boundary, earthquake and the volcano activity takes place, okay, that is about plate tectonic theory. And one theory is also related to this, that is Pangaea and Panthalassa. According to children, according to the theory, another theory, Earth, now we have 7 continents and 5 oceans, and all the continent takes taken place in a single continent, okay. In the millions of years ago, it is believed that Earth has only one continent, that was only one supercontinent, that was Pangaea, and one mega ocean, that was Panthalassa. And after many years, Pangaea broken down into two pieces, okay. North part has called Angara land, and south part is known as Gondwana land. And after that again Gondwana land and the Angara land broken down into number of pieces, and then all the continent took place. And after that these continent drift on the northern hemisphere, and Gondwana land, India, okay, concentrate here, India, Australia, South Africa, South America and Antarctica is the part of this Gondwana land, okay. Which part of India? This part of India is the part of Gondwana land, okay. Then, and this part of India that time was this part of India is the part of Indo-Australian plate, okay. And when Indo-Australian plate moved from south to north now, that time Indo-Australian plate crumble with the largest Eurasian plate, okay, largest Eurasian plate, they collide to the largest European plate, and that time fold created and Himalaya took place. When these Indo-Australian plate, okay, take example Indo-Australian plate, it is given in your book also, okay, drifted in the north now, that time, okay, that time it collide with the largest Eurasian plate, and that time Himalaya mountain created, okay, clear. Peninsular part was the oldest landform, then mountain has created, and after the mountain, okay, Himalaya mountain and the peninsular plateau, these depression has filled by the many rivers, okay, many rivers, and then northern plains formed, okay. First peninsular plateau, then Himalaya took place, then the northern plains is the northern plains took place, clear. and in detail we will discuss in the next video.